Chapter 11. Garbage. In our everyday life, we use and consume a number of things. The things that are no longer useful to us are thrown away or discarded. This is waste or garbage. A large amount of garbage is produced every day at homes, schools, offices, markets, hospitals, hotels, etc. This may be in the form of newspapers, kitchen waste, wrappers, plastic bottles, rubber, broken glass, broken bulbs, etc. Life skills. If 70% of the world's paper is recycled, it will save 35 million trees every year. With the increase in population, the amount of waste has increased. Due to such large quantity of garbage, its disposal has become a major problem everywhere. If it is not disposed of, it gets piled up, and animals and insects gather around this dump. It becomes a breeding place for mosquitoes and germs and causes land and water pollution as the chemicals in the garbage get washed into the soil by rain. It stinks a lot and has to be removed to stop the spread of diseases like cholera, typhoid, etc. Factopedia. Plastic is a serious threat to the environment. As plastic is non-biodegradable, it covers the topsoil and causes a lot of damage to it. If eaten by animals, plastic causes death due to choking and blockage in intestines. Kinds of waste. Some waste, such as vegetables, fruits, leaves, flowers, meat, rags, paper, animal, and human body waste rot easily and get mixed with soil. They decompose and provide nutrients to the plants. Such waste, which is recycled by nature, is called biodegradable waste. But we create a lot of toxic waste which does not mix with soil. As it does not decompose easily, it is very harmful for us and our planet. This includes waste products like plastic, metal, and glass. This is known as non-biodegradable waste. It is important to separate these two kinds of waste. We should keep 2 dustbins at home and at public place, one for each type of waste. Factopedia. Garbology is the study of modern refuse and trash. The project started in 1973 from the idea of 2 students working for a class project. Disposal of garbage. We generate a lot of waste every day. This garbage is sometimes disposed by dumping it in areas away from the city or by burning it. This releases toxins into the air and causes a lot of air pollution. Sometimes this waste is buried in landfills, which are deep pits dug at places away from the cities. But this method contaminates, pollutes underground water. All these are inappropriate methods of disposing waste. Let us find out some effective means through which waste can be reduced and disposed. Composting. In this method, the biodegradable waste is put in soil so that it rots and mixes in the soil with the help of tiny microbes present in the soil. Sprinkling some worms in the soil of compost pit makes composting faster. The compost formed in this manner is rich in minerals and nutrients, which is good for growing plants, so it is also used as manure. Biogas. Garbage such as cattle dung are converted to biogas in a biogas plant. This biogas is a clean gas which is used for cooking and lighting. The material left over in biogas plant is used as manure. The 4 R's. The 4 R's of waste management. Reduce. This means to find out ways by which the amount of garbage generated can be reduced. Whatever we dispose of as waste should have been reused to the maximum. Recycle. This means processing the waste things to making new products out of them, and thus reducing the amount of waste that is thrown away. For example, waste paper is converted into pulp, which is recycled to make paper again. This way many trees can be saved. Reuse. Reusing waste things like cans, tins, bottles, etc. to make useful things like making a pen stand by decorating a soft drink can reduces waste. This way non-biodegradable waste can be put to best use. Refuse. This means the things that you do not really need.
Our Honorable Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi started
a Clean India's campaign on the 2nd of October 2014. Encourage your family and friends to be a part of it by keeping your neighborhood, city and country clean. A quick recall. Things that are of no use to us are discarded as waste. Waste are of two types: biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste can be recycled, whereas it is not possible to recycle non-biodegradable waste. We can manage waste effectively by following the 4 R's rule: reuse, reduce, recycle, and refuse.